Hello friends, today we will be doing cubic sequences. This is the second video. In the first video, I had discussed about quadratic sequences. Now we will be doing some questions on the cubic sequences. Cubic sequences are sequences where you have the difference going up till the third level. So what does that mean? Like here, if we see the difference, here we get a 7, 11 minus 18 minus 11 is 7, 37 minus 18 is the 19, 74 minus 37 is 37, and 71, 135 minus 74 is a 61. So we see that these are, like, we don't get a common number, so we keep going to the second difference. So we do 17 minus 7, we get a 12, 37 minus 19, we get an 18, 67 minus 37, we get a 24. Here again, this is called as the second difference. You can probably just draw these lines. So this and this gives me this and this gives me this. The difference here gives me this. Then we move further. So now if you do 18 minus 12, I get a 6. 24 minus 18, we get a 6. So here at the third level of difference, we have a common term. Now again, there is one shortcut method to do it. The shortcut method doesn't work every time, but it will work most of the time. So for your exams, if you want to do it really quick, first just check for the shortcut method. So what do? We first make a table, right? So let's just write this. So suppose n, 1, 2, 3. So, and then we do an n cube because it's going up till the third level of difference. So 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is an 8, 3 cube is a 27. Now, what is the term as per the sequence? You have an 11, 18, 37. Now, if you see here, the difference here between all these terms is 10. So what is my nth term here? It is n cube plus 10. N cube plus 10, n cube plus 10. So my Tn is n cube plus 10. Now, this is a shortcut method. It will work for some of the cases. So first, whenever you get a question, first check whether you can do it. If not, then we go through the other method. So the other method for finding Tn is, the equation is, since it is going up to third level of difference, it is an cube plus bn square plus cn plus d. Okay, wherein, so we have to find, so the third difference is actually equal to 6a. Okay, so 6a is, this is my third difference. So 6a is equal to 6, therefore a is equal to 1. Then second difference is equal to 12a plus 2b. So we have to learn this. You have to learn these terms. So a is 1, so we write 12 plus 2b is equal to 12 here. Right? So you get 2b is equal to 0, therefore b is equal to 0. And then the first difference is equal to 7a plus 3b plus c. In this case, so a is 1, b is 0, plus c, and the first difference here is a 7. So again, c is equal to 0. And then the term is equal to a plus b plus c plus d. Here my term is 11. So a is 1, b is 0, c is 0, and d equals to 11. Therefore, d is equal to 11 minus 1, d is equal to 10. Now we substitute all these values of a, b, c, and d in this particular equation. So I get Tn is equal to a is 1, n cube, b is 0, n square, c is also 0, and d is 10. So I get n cube plus 10. I get the same answer. This is the long method and this is the short method. So this is one way to do it. Now let's look at questions where you cannot use the shortcut method. Let's look at a question. So let's look at the series, which is 7, 22, 51, 100, and 175. So let's look at the first difference here. So 22 minus 7, I get a 15. Let me use it. So this is a 15. 51 minus 22 is a 29. 100 minus 51 is a 49. And 175 minus 100 is a 75. Correct? Then we go to the second level of difference. So 29 minus 15 is a 14. 49 minus 29 is a 20. And this is a 26. So here again, they are not same. Then we go up to the third level of the difference. So we get 6 and 6. So now we stop here. Now we try with the shortcut method. We make this table. So 1, 2, 3. So my n cube is 1, 8, and 27. And my term is 7, 22, and 100. Now, if you see, there is no common number between them. Like if I add a 6, I get a 7. Then if I add a 14, I get a 22. And then if I add a 77, I get 100. So then the shortcut method is not working here. So we have to do it through the long cut method, which is Tn is equal to an cube plus bn squared plus tn plus t, wherein my third difference will always start from the n. So my third difference is 6a is equal to 6, therefore a is equal to 1. My second difference is 12a plus 2b. So a is 1 and 2b, and it is equal to 14. So therefore 2b is equal to 14 minus 12. Therefore 2b is equal to 2 and b equals to 1. Then we go to the first difference, which is 7a plus 3b plus c. So 7 is 1, b is 2, and c, and that's equal to 15. So this is, oh sorry, b is equal to 1. So I get 7 plus 3 is 10 plus c is equal to 15. Therefore c is equal to 5. And then we do the term, which is a plus b plus c plus d. Here my term is equal to 7. So a is 1, b is 1, c is 5, d is equal to 7. So this is equal to 7. Therefore d is equal to 0. Now I substitute in this formula. Tn, a is 1 n cube plus b is 1 n squared plus c is 5n and d is a 0. So my Tn is n cube plus n squared plus 5n. So in this case, the shortcut method doesn't work, but the long cut method, which is you have to memorize these terms and find out the nth term of the sequence. I hope you liked my video. Do subscribe to my channel and let me know if you want me to do any more questions. Thank you for watching.